fuck? It's 5 a.m. and we just left, even though we're supposed to leave like 15 minutes ago. The sunrise at 5:50. Why am I talking like a robot? I'm just waking up.
No one on the road. I could literally like
zoom.
Yeah.
No, because you already hit your fucking mirror.
I didn't hit it. I just little love tap.
She was backing out of the gate and she fucking hit her mirror.
Against the gate.
Against the gate. But yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna get ready in the car because I woke up late. And then we're gonna go 7-Eleven real quick and to the beach. And then have a picnic. But yeah, we just went to 7-Eleven. I grabbed fucking know. I got some little sausages. Then we got some fruits and stuff for the basket for a picnic at sunrise, but it's not gonna be sunrise when we get there.
It's close enough. Also,
it's
it's cloudy anyways.
Yeah, overcast, fine. It's already sunrise. Oh yeah, we had to go back home because she forgot her bag.
Yeah, my whole ass bag.
We could have made it, but she forgot her bag.
Wrinkles on my face and I'm only 23. And that's just speaking for me. You hit that certain age, it took to make a living wage. But I swear I just learned my name. I swear I'm not to blame. You told no more fun, it's off to work. You can earn a dime to have any work, but I don't play that way. I'm always gonna say, take us back to when we were kids. We didn't know how good we had it. Now we're all just sick and sad and sad and take us back to before we grew up.
Okay. Lights, camera, action. I see you looking at my PIC.
I think my foot's in here.
Oh my god.
I'm eating lihimoy pineapple. Apple.
My toes like down in the corner. Wait, what? Because I was like going like this. You know, maybe you'll get views because like, ew, the fucking foot.
We're having a picnic now because we're hungry. I gotta show you tuna sushi roll. The 7-Eleven here is better than the ones in the mainland. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
But to do them, right? Go like this, open it up, pull. Oh, I ripped it! No, it's okay. So good.
It's okay.
Why am I the only one eating?
I got the tuna with cucumber, no shoyu.
Shoyu is just soy sauce, but
In Hawaii,
y'all weird for calling it soy sauce.
no very. I get clowned for calling it shoyu.
I asked for the shoyu and my friends look at me like, what?
No, exactly. People look at you, we're like, it's not called shoyu. Or I was just like, I mean, where I grew up, that's what it's called. So I'm kind of valid.
You're very valid. They're unvalid.
They're unvalid.
I have two.
I don't think I can hear you.
Yeah, yo.
I have two spicy ahi nori rolls. And then I got a kapiko
Oh.
lychee.
Oh, and then I also got a musubi.
So, oh no, delicious.
Yeah. Yo, I realized what you said. So, oh no, delicious.
He doesn't get it.
Do you not get it?
No.
Okay.
Are you laughing because it means the same thing?
Yeah.
Oh crap. Under your skin. He's digging, he's poking around.
Where'd it go?
The little fucking crab is going underneath.
I know, but where'd it go? Where was it?
Underneath the sand.
Bitch, where? The sand's everywhere.
It was over here.
Oh my god.
Anyway, restart. Don't wanna be alone knowing you go. Are they just pretending? This is offensive.
I think of you when the wind
If not, I've been counting the days.
Not her having the lyrics up. See, this is when the moment when we should have like actually learned a song together.
I mean, yeah, I can do a song then. You wanna sing it?
I don't know the song.
Think of you when the wind. I have food in my mouth.
No, what key is that?
See?
C? Then what? G?
Yeah.
That's not G. That's not G. G is this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
feel maybe so late, it's not close.
Seems so far away.
But I'm still breathing you in deep.
That we're still close because
The best part, it's you.
wait,
It's you.
with you.
I don't know what to do, baby. No need to in my dreams that always makes me smile. It's you, you.
Oh shit, that's another part, yeah?
It's you.
Why are you doing the fucking low part?
You.
Why are you going backwards?
Is that it?
I'm trying to fucking conclude the song.
No.
See, in the beginning it was good. Our separate parts. Boy, problems at the... You could have had a bad bitch.
Here you go, bitches. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck it.
Fuck it. I want to
So we should go beach now. Oh my god!
It's alright outside. We living in Hawaii with Aloha and pride. Yes! On fire! This is my desire. And what I need to
That's so pretty.
Sort of montage.
Oh shit!
This happened 1, 2, 3 times too much. That's not cheating if I wasn't with your ass. I'm not your mommy, nigga. I got new hobby, nigga. I'm not gonna kill your car. I'll call your fucking mom. You should have paid my rent. Go get a fucking job. Just like Monday. Just keep driving.
This is what we're... Oh my god, that's...
What do you say?
My anaconda dope. My anaconda dope.
Yeah. He loves that.
Fuck you if you skinny bitches. What? Yeah. I got a big fat ass.
Tell him, you tell him.
Ready? Come on. Too late.
So all our plans got ruined. We're supposed to go to Giovanni's, but
They closed.
were closed. I wanted fresh food, but it was closed. And so we went to this new place called Fumi's. And then we're gonna wait till we get home. But it was cash only, and we don't have cash on us. So we can only get 2 plates instead of 3.
But we did have cash, but enough for only 2 plates.
I literally just said that.
You
said we didn't have cash at all.
Yeah. But that's why we only got 2 plates.
Okay.
I think whatever.
Okay.
But now we're going home because that's it.